Hello and welcome to Week 3, Gender and Gender Minorities 1. This is the first of 2 weeks that we will be discussing the concept of gender and gender minorities. In Week 1, you received a handout called the Gender Unicorn, which broke down gender identity, gender expression, sex assigned at birth, physical attraction, and emotional attraction. This week, we will be exploring what we mean by gender identity and gender minority. I encourage you to continue to use that handout as a point of reference. According to the National Institute of Health, Sexual and Gender Minority Office, sexual and gender minority, often called SGM, populations include, but are not limited to, individuals who identify as lesbian, gay, bisexual, asexual, transgender, two-spirit, queer, and/or intersex, individuals with same-sex or gender attractions or behaviors, and those with a different sex are also included. These populations also encompass those who do not self-identify with one of those terms, but whose sexual orientation, gender identity, or expression or reproductive development is characterized by non-binary constructs of sexual orientation, gender, and/or sex. We will spend weeks 3 and 4 on gender minorities, and weeks 5 and 6 will revolve around sexual identity and sexual minorities. The learning outcomes for this week are as follows. Identify key identities and terms related to gender, gender identity, and non-binary identifications. Compare and contrast the various stage theories and models of identity development and gender minorities. Imagine and describe various life issues that gender and gender minority individuals experience that may lead them to seek out services or assistance. Apply knowledge of LGBTQIA psychology through practice case vignettes to direct assessment and treatment and goal planning. This week, you will have just one discussion board in order to give you time to connect with your groups and work on your final presentation. As always, should you have any questions about anything in this week or your final presentations, please reach out to your faculty.